Hey, real quick, I want to make sure everyone is clear because we have two events happening Mother's Day weekend. First, Saturday, May 9th, from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. The Icon Party. This is Willow and Lavender's Sweet 16 and my Welcome Home celebration. It's a musical icon costume party. Come dressed as your favorite artist from any era. This event is invitation only. Please do not share or forward this invitation. It's reserved for you and your party only. I do need a final head count, so please send me your total, including any guests, by Monday. Now, the second event is Sunday, May 10th, Mother's Day from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Mother's Day Brunch Workshop. Please share this event. This is a paid, women only experience. You'll enjoy a fully catered brunch, followed by a guided hands on workshop where you'll design your own decorative planter head. And if you're a man and can't attend, do something different for a special woman in your life. More than flowers that fade or a moment at the same old restaurant you go to every year, gift her an experience, whether it's your mother, sister, aunt, daughter, partner, or friend. And since you're coming to celebrate with me on Saturday, show your love and support a Black woman-owned business. Share the Eventbrite link with 5 women you know. This simple gesture would mean a whole lot to me. Tickets are available on Eventbrite and seats are limited, so please secure your spot in advance. 2 events, 1 unforgettable weekend. Don't forget to click the link below and simply share this Mother's Day event with at least 5 women you know. Thank you. Reserve your seat and I can't wait to see you there.